This next video we're going to be going over how to do a special order cancel. So from the ticket header, you're going to select your cashier ID by clicking on the drop down to the right of cashier. You're going to go to the customer field and click on the magnifying glass icon or use Control-P on your keyboard to look up the customer. Your lookup comes up. You can look that customer up by last name, first name, account number, or use %sign for wildcard searches. I'm going to type in the last name. Click on the lookup button and select the appropriate customer. And that brings that customer up on the screen. Now I'm going to click on the Ticket Detail tab up at the top or press F6 on my keyboard. That brings us into the Ticket Detail screen. The default transaction type is regular sales. So since we're doing a special order cancel, we're going to click on the drop down arrow to the right of transaction type, and we're going to choose special order cancel. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to click on the Pick button. This will bring up all the ticket numbers that have special orders on them. On this example, I'm going to select ticket 9, and then on ticket 9 it selects the item or items for cancel. I'm going to go ahead and select this only one listed, which is M8038T, and click on OK down at the bottom. The message center is letting you know that it changed the quantity to negative for transaction type. If I wanted to put a SKU comment as to why this special order is being canceled, I could do so in the SKU comment text box. If not, just leave it blank. For the quantity, it lists the -1. The price, it lists the total retail price. Original amount, the retail price plus tax. And what I've paid to date so far on this special order, which happens to be $20.14. I can also select the original salesperson that helped this customer. Once I'm done, I can click on Add Item or press F10 on my keyboard. And that adds that special order cancel to the bottom list. If I had any other transactions that I needed to do at this time, such as regular sale or return or special order deposit or any other special order cancels, any of those transactions I could do on this ticket as well. On this example, we're just going to do the special order cancel. So now we're ready to click on Ticket Payment at the top or press F7 on our keyboard. This brings us into the ticket payment screen. If we had a ticket comment, we could type in a ticket comment in the text box. If not, just leave it blank. Special order deposit, it'll show you the amount as a minus that we're going to be giving back. Subtotal will show you that same amount, and total due. It'll list the tenders in the middle left of the screen. These tenders we have listed are cash, MasterCard, Visa, debit card, gift card, Discover, check, or American Express. If your company has other tenders, we can configure those into your account. To select the appropriate tender type, you can either click on that tender or you can click on the drop down under tender and select that tender. I'm going to go ahead and choose cash. If I made a mistake, I can click on the red X to the right of that and it'll remove that. I'm going to go ahead and put it back in, click on cash, and now we're ready to end the sale. So I can click on the End Sale button or press F9 on my keyboard. And since it's cash we're giving back, it tells you the amount that you're giving back on the Alert Center message, and I can click OK. This shows a copy of the receipt. If you wanted to burn your logo in, if you had a thermal receipt printer, you could do that. It shows your beginning receipt message, the name of your company, address, phone number. Shows the date of the transaction, the time, the store number, the cashier ID, and the ticket number. Shows the account number, the customer's name and address, what type of transaction. This happened to be a special order cancel by this salesperson. Shows the description, the style number, the size, that it's a -1. You're giving a refund of this amount, and it shows the total amount that you're giving the refund. And at the bottom it now shows the total orders on this account and the balance due, if you have multiple orders or if you only have one order. And that completes how to enter a special order cancel.